While Microsoft has taken this step in the headphones and beyond its usual accessories for the mouse and keyboard, there are signs that Surface will continue to move into new areas. During our interview, Panay insinuates that we could see a Microsoft USB-C webcam. The camera in Surface Hub 2, keep in mind that it is a camera based on USB-C, and the idea that we can take a high-fidelity camera to an experience, probably can assume that that will happen, explains Panay. Are you completing an experience or taking the next level of an experience to something you wanted, even if it is not Surface? I've been looking at all that. While I will not announce a new product, I think that's important. I really believe that completing the experiences are Microsoft design, that is hardware and software. Microsoft introduced a series of different Surface products this week. There's a new Surface Pro 6 and Surface Laptop 2 Matte Black, an updated Surface Studio 2 and all the new Surface headphones. While most of the hardware was typical of Surface, the headphones were a surprising change for Microsoft. The head of Surface, Panay, reveals that the fact that Microsoft passes the headphones has to do with the new idea of completing the Surface experience. Now that the company is designing these products as a single company, the technology is evolving where we want it to be. There was an opportunity to complete this in a way that I'm passionate about and that the team is passionate about, explains Panay. That termination on the side of the headphones is designed to satisfy Surface users who are absorbed in music, as many creators do, or even players who wear headphones for hours.